train filled the temple, which says to me that our God has never lost a battle. So when trials and tribulations come our way, what then shall we say to these things? That if God be for us, so that problem that you might be facing, the guilt that you might be carrying, the hurt that you might be harboring, the anger that you might be feeling, God is able to remove those things. All you got to do is have faith and believe that he can do it. So out of your mouth, as an act of faith, I dare you to scream out in this room, he's able. He's able. Now shout some worship in here. So don't give up on God, 'cause he won't give up on you. So don't give up on God.
Don't give up on God,
'Cause he won't
give up.
Tell somebody around you, they act okay, but they really not. Don't give up.
Don't give up on God,
'Cause he won't
give up on you.
I know they sitting down and they don't want to be bothered. Tell them anyway.
Don't give up on God,
'Cause he
won't give up.
There's a reason why they're sitting. Don't give up on God.
Don't give up on God,
'Cause he
won't give up on
You've been crying by yourself. Don't you give up on God.
Don't give up on God,
'Cause he won't.
give up on.
One more time. Don't give up on God.
Don't give up on God,
'Cause he
won't give up on you.
One more time. Say, don't give up on God.
Don't give up on God,
'Cause he will. Let's go back to these hands. Everybody lift it up. Say, he's able.
He's able.
Say, he's able.
He's able.
Say, he's able.
He's able.
I need you to know it.
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 He's able.
Say, he's able.
He's able.
Lift up your head.
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 He's able.
It's gonna be alright.
He's able.
It's gonna be alright.
He's able.
It's gonna be alright.
He's able. He's able.
Scream it out loud.
He's able.
Scream it out loud.
He's able.
Scream it out loud.
He's able.
Let the devil know.
He's able.
Let the devil know.
He's able.
Let your friends know.
He's
Let
able.
your family know.
He's able.
Said he's able.
He's able.
Said he's able.
He's able.
Don't give up on God. Tell him why.
'Cause he won't give up on you.
I wish I could come hug some of y'all and say, don't give up.
Don't give up on God,
'Cause he won't.
'cause he won't give up on you.
I feel a deliverance tonight. Don't give up on God.
Don't give up on God,
'Cause he won't.
he won't give up.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Don't you give up on God.
Don't give up on God,
'Cause he won't.
he won't give up on you.
Don't give up. He won't give up.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Don't give
Don't give up on God,
don't.
he won't give up on you. Don't give up on God, 'cause he won't give up on you.
Bring it out. Listen. We were very tired. We thought we was gonna come out here, do this show, and go home. We have been traveling for weeks with no sleep. Got on a plane, landed here at 10:30, came straight here. We were tired. But it's funny how God likes to work. Track ain't working. He's just like, nah. You have assignment. Whether we like it or not, we have assignment in this room. And I feel such a heaviness in here. There's so much hurt, and there's so much anger, and there's so much stuff that everyone in this room is carrying, whether they admit it, whether they like to act like it or show it or not. And I refuse to stand on this stage and see this and act like it's not here. So when I say to you that you have to open up your mouth, it's because closed mouths don't get fed. That's not Bible, but it definitely works and it means something. But the Bible says life and death is in the power of the tongue. So if you want to be healed,
Hallelujah.
if you want to be delivered, if you want to be set free, if you want to get rid of the hurt and the anger that you're carrying, the guilt and the shame, I feel it's a lot of guilt in here. Tonight is your night for healing and deliverance. Tonight is your night for the family to be mended and saved. Tonight is your night to be released from all the stuff that you're carrying. But you have to trust God enough to get it. You have to believe God enough to want it. So everybody lift up your hand, and right where you are, open up your mouth and say what it is you want to be free from. Forget about who's around you. Don't wait on me to tell you what to say. You open up your mouth yourself. You know what it is. 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 God is here. All you have to do is ask him for it and trust him for it. The tears that you cry by yourself every night, all the friends you have don't even know. They don't even care to ask you if you're all right. But tonight, forget about anybody else. It's all about you. If you want it, you can have it. If you want it, you can have it. Bullying, forget about it. You are loved. My God, today. So don't give up on God, 'cause he won't give up on you. Oh, sing it.
Don't give up on God.
'Cause he won't.
'Cause he won't give up on
One more time. Don't give up on God.
Don't give up
Hey.
on God.
'Cause he won't
'Cause he won't
give up on you. Now I need you to do one more time. Hug somebody and tell them God is able. 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 Don't let nobody tell everybody. Touch somebody. Touch somebody. They might look okay, but I'm telling you, I see it. I see it in the spirit. I see it in the spirit. See it in the spirit. Molestation. Rape. I see it.